Today we're going to be making the Anode Beetle from the Pikmin games. So this is going to be a pretty simple creation. We're only going to need like 4 colors. So what I'm doing here is making a blob of black clay. Then I'm going to cut it several different ways and put those cut pieces back together. And this will form the shape for the head as well as the wings. Now we're going to form the antennas and attach them to the head along with the eyes. So in the actual Pikmin games, these beetles have an electric charge. And what they do is they point their butts at each other to form an electrical current. And any Pikmin that get caught in the electrical current get killed, except for the yellow Pikmin, which are immune to electricity. Now we're working on the underside of the beetle, which is kind of a bronze color. So in order to kill the beetle, you have to throw a Pikmin directly on top of it. This flips the beetle over and exposes its belly, which allows the Pikmin to attack it. And then it just kinda dies with its belly all exposed. Not the most graceful way to die, but it could be worse. So now the only body part left to make are the legs, which we're working on right now. Also, I'm pretty sure these creatures only appear in Pikmin 2, and they're pretty much only found in the caves. So when I started baking it, the legs started slipping out of place, so now we're just adding a little glue to help hold the legs in place. And there's the finished Anode Beetle, looking like a Chad. Let's give him a little turnaround. Anyway, give this video a like or a comment if you want, and I'm definitely going to make more Pikmin stuff in the future, so subscribe for more. Peace.